Alright, we're back at Sam's Smoke Barbecue, or the Regal Eagle here in America, the American Pavilion. And you can see they've actually made it, they're working on it currently. They've actually added a lot of trim. They're adding primer and stuff into that trim now, getting ready for final coats on that. Putting in the final bit of railing along the top. Hopefully it's going to be open here in another couple weeks. Okay, as the destruction of Interventions West continues to go on, we notice that these things here on the top look like droids, R2 droids, and I'm sure they're just vents. Test track is currently down for refurbishment. Alright, and another shot here of the destruction of Interventions West. So this is coming down quite fast now. Alright, this is video of the new security stations going in at Epcot. And here's the new tram loop. And right over in there is the Space 220 restaurant. It'll be opening soon, February 20th.
For our smoking guests, there are designated smoking areas just outside the park. Please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops.
Gateway. We're flying to Disney's
All right, guys,
Riviera Resort.
one last shot
at Disney's Caribbean
of what's going on here in France. Soon to be open this summer of Ratatouille. There's Gasto's sign right there. I'm sorry, Gusto. Sorry, I'm horrible with this stuff. Anyway, there is the facade. Also a good shot of the facade. Alright guys, that's it for this construction update. We'll be back again next week. See ya.